All right, let's jump right into this explainer and crack the code on how literally anyone can start generating income using artificial intelligence in 2026. And look, the absolute best part, zero programming required. You don't need to be some Silicon Valley software engineer to make this work. We're going to explore some highly actionable ways to use AI, and it's all building up to our main focus today, a concrete 5-step plan you can start using the second this is over.
Now, if you're a student, a freelancer, or maybe a professional working in the Philippines, and you're feeling, a little intimidated by the steep tech barriers of AI, maybe you're thinking it's way out of your league. Well, this explainer is exactly for you. Because the truth is, AI is quietly but radically changing how everyday people work, create, and sell online.
Let's kick things off with Section 1, the real AI opportunity. The real secret here isn't just knowing the tech, it's about solving actual problems. Take freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, right? Instead of staring at a blank screen for 3 hours trying to draft a blog post, AI instantly speeds up that workflow. It handles all the heavy lifting, things like outlining, transcribing audio, or popping out video captions, so you can actually focus on adding your unique human touch, your research, and your personal style.
And that brings us to a massive, game-changing mindset shift. Clients simply don't care about the tools you use. They care about results. So, never pitch yourself by saying, hey, I use AI to write faster. No, pitch yourself by saying, I can deliver a high-quality, fully researched blog post by Tuesday. You got to sell the result, not the software.
Think about how this applies locally. Picture the Filipino restaurants or local shops right in your neighborhood. They know they need to be on TikTok or Instagram for sure, but they're just way too busy running their actual business to post consistently. That is where you step in with an AI-assisted service. The AI generates the raw ideas and the content calendars, and then you inject the local flavor, the Tagalog phrasing, and that specific cultural humor. You're not just doing a task anymore. You're building a recurring income stream.
Moving right along to number 2. Digital products and businesses. YouTube is an absolutely massive opportunity, and AI can completely turbocharge your workflow here. You can use it to brainstorm titles, outline scripts, and organize ideas around topics you actually know about, like personal finance or local tech trends. But a quick warning, actually scratch that, a major warning, do not just upload generic, faceless AI videos. To actually succeed and build an audience, you critically need originality and strong human storytelling.
Beyond video, you can use AI to build highly tailored, downloadable products. Imagine putting together a really detailed Notion template specifically designed for Filipino freelancers, or a foolproof budget spreadsheet for university students. The AI helps you structure and polish the content, but your local expertise is what makes it genuinely valuable to people. And the best part? You build it once, host it online, and generate sales while you sleep.
Okay, a quick but incredibly important aside here. If you're using AI for graphic design, you absolutely must ensure you aren't infringing on copyrighted styles, characters, or logos. Always check the commercial use rights. Remember, your true value comes from your creative direction, not from just stealing someone else's hard work with the click of a button.
Which brings us to number 3, the next level of AI automation. We all know the Philippines is a global powerhouse in the virtual assistant industry. And here's the thing. AI isn't replacing this. It is completely evolving it. A traditional VA spends hours manually organizing spreadsheets and drafting emails, right? While an AI-assisted VA uses modern tools to do that exact same work in a fraction of the time. This means you can either comfortably handle double the clients or start offering much higher-level premium services.
As you master these tools, you can step into some seriously lucrative premium services. Small business owners know they need AI, but honestly, they're overwhelmed by it. You can step in and offer no-code solutions like setting up a smart autoresponder for their customer inquiries or helping local real estate agents generate instant property listings. You don't need to build the next ChatGPT. You really just need to be one step ahead of your client and be able to teach them. Let's look at number 4, the ultimate AI mindset.
This right here is perhaps the most important lesson of this entire explainer. We call it AI leverage. Listen, the AI itself is not the business. AI is the leverage that makes your existing skills unstoppable. Think of it as AI plus writing or AI plus marketing. The more valuable the core problem you solve for someone, the more lucrative your AI skills become.
And finally, number 5, the main event we've been building toward, your 5-step AI plan. Okay, this is the exact blueprint you can use to start monetizing right now. Step 1, choose one skill. Seriously, don't try to learn everything.
Just pick one area, like video editing or copywriting. Step 2. Learn AI. Spend a few weeks experimenting with how AI specifically improves that one single workflow. Step 3, and this is absolutely critical, build samples. Don't sit around waiting to be hired. Create 3 flawless examples of your work to prove your value upfront. Step 4, find customers. Reach out to local businesses or online entrepreneurs and show them those exact samples you just made. And lastly, step 5, specialize. Once you see what people are actually willing to pay for, double down on it, increase your rates, and build a recurring client base.
The really beautiful thing about this 5-step plan is that the AI economy isn't limited to massive tech hubs. Whether you're working remotely from Manila, Cebu, or Davao, the internet grants you access to a massive global market. The specific software we use today, yeah, it will inevitably change, but your ability to identify problems and use tech efficiently to solve them, that is a permanent advantage.
So as you can see, in 2026, you don't need to be a tech genius to ride this wave. You just need to solve real-world problems. We've mapped out the services, the products, and your 5-step blueprint. So I want to leave you with one final question to think about. What is the very first AI money-making idea you are going to experiment with today? Pick one, start building, and go create your own leverage.